Hello, my name is Alessandro Moriali. Welcome to another Cheshunt FC vlog. Today I'm at Barking for the Valo City Trophy match. Barking FC versus Cheshunt FC. This is going to be a good game tonight. And now we come into the score prediction. Some people have put for a convincing Cheshunt win tonight on the score predictions. Someone put 4-1, 4-2, 5-1, 3-0 and a 3-1. So hopefully them predictions are right. If it's a draw, it would go straight to penalties. The winners of this match will face East Thurrock United in the next round. Come on, the Cheshunt, let's get through tonight. And if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you. I will keep you updated with the score during the game. Half time, Barking 0, Cheshunt FC 0. And I've got to be honest with you, in that first half, it's all been Barking. They've had most of the best opportunities in that game and should have been about 2 or 3 up in that first half. Cheshunt haven't got going in this first half, and it needs to improve in the second half. And a lot of fouls we've been giving away as well. That is not good. So we've got to improve second half, because that was not a good performance in the first half by Cheshunt. Hopefully we can turn this around in the second half. At half time, Barking 0, Cheshunt FC 0. Goal for Barking was scored on 56 minutes through the penalty spot. Barking 1, Cheshunt 0. Equaliser for Cheshunt was Ryan Moss on 59 minutes. Cheshunt 1, Barking 1. Goal for Cheshunt was scored by Nelson Ethan Roberts. Barking 1, Cheshunt FC 2. Full time finish, Barking 1, Cheshunt FC 2. In second half we played a lot better in that second half, and we deserved to win 2-1. The first goal scored on 56 minutes through the penalty spot from Barking, and then 2 minutes later Cheshunt equalised through Ryan Moss, and then 2 minutes later Cheshunt made it 2-1 thanks to Nelson Roberts. Get in there, we're into the next round of the trophy. Get in there. Next Cheshunt vlog will be Saturday away to Winchgate and Finchley.